Kailangan natin i-blend. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So this is the look that I got after doing the 500 peso makeup challenge. So if you want to know more about it and how I did this look, please keep on watching. So ayan, this is my bare face. I don't have any makeup on, as in zero. Kitang-kita naman sa eye bags. And I just straightened my hair, kaya medyo mukhang kakaiba kasi usually magulo yung buhok ko. Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga binili ko. I chose to buy the products at Landmark Trinoma kasi doon yung mura and alam kong, feeling ko lang para sa akin kompleto. So, these are the items that I got. And ilalagay ko din naman dito sa caption while I'm using it kung ano yung ginamit ko and yung price niya. So, if you want to know more about this and how I got the glam look, please keep on watching. Start with the base. I'm gonna be using this Aqua Moisturizer Whitening Vita from iWhite. This is for only 20 pesos. And I'm gonna be using the BB Holic Everyday BB Cream from iWhite as well. This is only for 24.50. Try muna natin tong moisturizer. I've already tried this. Okay naman siya. Sobrang okay siya for my skin. I opted to buy a moisturizer kasi I have dry skin. So, gusto mong i-make sure na maganda yung base and hindi magkikake yung foundation. Ay, yung BB cream. So, yan. Apply ko lang siya sa face ko. Kinakabahan ako dito. Baka sobrang puti. Pero light lang kasi din yung option na meron. And this is the BB Holic Everyday BB Cream from iWhite Korea. Ayan. So, apply natin yung BB cream. Ang puti. Next. Blending is key. I'll be using this as a concealer. Ang hirap pala pag walang sponge. Yan. I'm not sure kung ilan yung shades nitong iWhite Korean na BB cream. Pero ito lang yung nakita ko. Actually, matagal ko na itong binili. Pero, ngayon ko lang siya nagamit. So, yan. I think okay naman. Okay, so we're done with the base and okay naman yung BB cream. So, I will now bake my face. O, diba? May pang baking pa. This is the baby powder from Johnson's. I love this powder kasi ang bango niya but I don't use it everyday. Pero gusto ko yung amoy niya. And nakita ko to sa mga makeup hacks na ginagamit yung baby powder as baking powder dito sa under eye circle. So, let us try it and see kung mag-work siya. This is only 24.75. So, nakakapag-bake pa tayo. Yan. And this is the great find. Kung meron man ako sobrang favorite sa haul ko, ito yung brush set na nabili ko sa Landmark. 64.95 lang. Yeah, meron for eyeshadow, concealer, powder or blush, eyeshadow ulit, and yung pangkilay. Kaso nakakatakot yung amoy. Linisin ko muna. Okay, so we will now bake our face. Ang taray. Oh, nakapag-bake pa ako for 500 pesos ha. Anyway, so yan. Nakapag-lagay naman na tayo ng concealer. So, yun na din yung eyeshadow base natin. And then, we'll be doing our eye makeup. This is from Aido. It's their travel kit. I got this for only 140 pesos. So, hindi na ako bumili nung Nichido ba yung laging ginagamit sa 500 peso makeup challenge. Kasi yun yung binili ko nun na sobrang nag-fail. Kaya, ayoko na talaga. Yun yung nagpa-fail sa makeup challenge ko before. Or ako lang yung nag-fail. Merong brush na kasama. But I won't be using it because I have a brush set. O, diba? I'll be using the eyeshadow brush. So, kuha lang tayo ng onting water. So, we will be going for a glam smoky. Bahala na, tingnan natin. So, I'll be using this shade, itong dark, itong violet, dun sa crease. Okay? Ooh! So, paano na? Sobrang pigmented niya. Nakikita niyo ba? Pero, ang hirap i-blend. Tumasatest ang ating skills. Kung meron. I'll use the other brush. Para hindi ako mapahiya dito sa 64 pesos ko na brush set. And then, I'll be using this champagne shade on the center of our lids. We'll be using this brown shade. Ito, mix natin parehas para sa inner. Okay, mag-eksperimento lang tayo dito. So yan, that's how my shadow looks like. Maayos pa natin yan later. And then, we'll be applying it dito sa waterline. Okay, so now we'll be doing our brows. I got this Nichido brown pencil. This is for only 36.50. Masyado siyang brown for me kasi dark yung hair ko. Pero, okay naman siya. And creamy siya. Pigmented. Amazing. For only 36 pesos. In fairness, yung makikita nyo, ito yung brow product. Yan, ito yung wala. Okay naman siya. So, yan. Those are my brows. So, I think we're done baking. I-brush off ko na tong powder. This is how it looks so far. After the brows, I'll be using the same pencil for my eyeliner. So, i-outline ko lang ng onte yung inner corners of my eye and will be applying the falsies. Parang hindi naman siya masyadong kumukulay sa mata. Sa brows, okay siya. Pero pag ina-apply ko siya, parang ayaw. And then next, we'll be using the blush. Natutuwa talaga ako kasi meron akong brush. Yung iba kasi, akala nila hindi kasama yung tools. So, gumagamit sila ng mga brush na yung meron sila, pero kailangan kasama daw. So, doon ako na-challenge. Buti na lang may nakita akong brush set. Wow! Ang pigmented. Kailangan natin i-blend. Masyadong pink. Feeling ko sa camera lang. Tissue, libre to. Okay, so we're done. Almost done with the face. And now I'll be applying this lipstick. This is from Aido as well. It's in letter E. So, yan. Wala silang shade, but that's how it looks like. This is for only 59 pesos. Ito yung shade niya. Hindi siya red. Hindi din siya orange. Let's apply. Siyang orange dito sa camera pero hindi siya orange. Since hindi ko siya gusto na ganyan, I'll be applying the dark eyeshadow. This is the look so far and we're almost done. We will just be applying our falsies. So since wala akong binili na mascara or anything para sa lashes na aside from this falsies, I got this and this is for only 44 pesos. This is in natural, human hair. And sobrang favorite ko to sa Landmark. As in, kung college pa lang ito yung ginagamit ko. Sobrang ganda. Yeah. I just used my lash glue. Sabi ko na, nung una kasi kinuha ko na yung Nichido na lash glue. Kasi sobrang favorite ko yun. 60 pesos lang yun. Pero, ayun nga. Can I just count that on this challenge? Kasi sobrang ganda din ng glue na yun. Hindi pa din naman ako lalampas ng 60 pesos na. So, I'll just be applying my falsies now. The final look with my 500 peso makeup challenge. I think okay naman siya. I had fun doing this challenge. Nung una para na akong gi-give up kasi ang hirap palang i-budget ng 500 sa lahat ng makeup products knowing na kailangan din meron ng tools. But other than that, nilalapit ko sa camera para makita niyo yung toong itsura ng makeup. Ganda ng eyeshadow. Okay yung palette. And yung falsies, of course, it's really my favorite. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!